I'm really impressed about the many companies are here, and I have my first impression is you can buy here everything for your dental office, what you need, dresses, materials, tools, etc., etc. My name is Dr. Thomas Lietz. I'm full employed by DentalWorld in Germany. My responsibility is clinical affairs and also development. And part of my job is to give some lectures, therefore I'm here. Now my lecture is more technical aspects, not so much clinical aspects, because a lot of orthodontists know many things about clinical steps, etc. But sometimes they don't realize the products in the technical aspects, and when customers complain several times, we understand they have only a small idea about the products, and that was the basic idea for this lecture, to show them where are some points what they should know before they start with a product. Yeah? It's the same when you buy a car. Okay, you have a driver license, but do you know all the technical aspects of your car, all the specific things? Yeah? And I think you should learn that also to use the car proper, and that was the basic idea from this lecture. And the second part is about our new 3D retainer, and that should be very interesting because it is a tailor-made retainer, and I would like to show you an example. I have it with me. What you can see here, that is we call it 3D retainer. The brand name is Prime for Me retainer, and as you can see here, it is really an exact fit to the teeth, and the doctor is really free in the design, and you can use it for normal retention, but also especially for periodontic cases. So the big advantage is the doctor is really free in the design. This is my first time here in Budapest, and also of course in this exhibition. I'm really impressed about the many companies are here, and I have my first impression is you can buy here everything for your dental office, what you need, dresses, materials, tools, etc., etc.